I cannot wait to share with you the ways that I have used this peel and stick wallpaper to make some of the cutest DIY projects. Let me know, as always, in the comments which one is your absolute favorite. I had so much fun making these. I sure hope you'll try them too. So for DIY number one, we are going to make over my laptop. So I don't know if you're familiar with how laptops work, but they have all these things online you can buy for them, and they're called like skins. And I love the idea of making a laptop skin with this Dollar Tree wallpaper. It's definitely more affordable and so easy and fun. And the instant I saw that kind of pink and blue, which are my brand colors, marbly with the gold, I was just totally in love. And I thought, this goes with my rose gold laptop. You could cover any color laptop, obviously. You could cover your iPad. You could cover really any device with this. I've even seen people use the peel and stick wallpaper to make a little cover for their iPhone case. So I just think get creative, decide where you want this, and get to sticking and peeling and all the things. I love how this turned out. I can't believe I didn't do this sooner. I just trimmed it off a little bit around the edges, and then this is how it looks completed. I love this. And now every time I grab my laptop to use, which is pretty much on the daily, I get to see really pretty foil. I just love this geode looking kind of design on here. Every time. So I love it. I hope you love it too. I hope there's so many designs to choose from at Dollar Tree. I hope you'll find one that you like to cover one of your devices. All right, so DIY number two, I took the leftover wallpaper from the laptop cover, and I'm going to use it to cover this book of matches. I love the idea of matches as a like decor piece, because a lot of times it's nice to have them sitting out. Now I know we have like electric lighters and little, easy convenient lighters, but there's just something nostalgic and classy about having actual wooden matches. So I like to have them sitting out, whenever possible. And just making them a little bit cuter is definitely the idea. And of course, I love thrifting like glass jars and things to put the matches in. But I just thought with this design on this wallpaper, it would be really cute to just kind of stick some of it on the Dollar Tree matches and make it really something that I could actually leave out and not have to hide in a drawer or hide in a cabinet. So this is how they turned out. I think this would be great paired with a really seasonal candle as a gift for someone. And, I think that with the other options they have also as wallpaper, the sky's the limit. So DIY number three is going to be using a kind of cute hole punch. This one has like a little heart design on it. Had a little trouble. Mine's it's not sharp enough. I should have sharpened the hole punch first, but you just punch out as many of these little designs as you can out of the spare scrap wallpaper that you have. And it doesn't have to be this tiny one. You can use even bigger ones. I actually even recommend bigger hole punch. They have them in all sorts of sizes. And then I just use a little piece of tape to tediously remove the back of the wallpaper for each of these, and they become little stickers. I think you could even get creative and use a larger hole punch with a circle or a heart and use these to seal envelopes. Instead of like a wax seal, you could use these as a sticker. And I just kind of haphazardly added them all around this Dollar Tree pillar candle, and I think it turned out really, really cute. I decided to add a little embellishment to the top of the candle. So I'm using this little piece of velvety leather strap that I got over the holidays on another ornament. And I am going to glue this piece of bling to it. The bling was perfect. It was kind of an opalescent butterfly design with gold accents. I thought that it blends so nicely with the stickers, and this is an up close shot of it how it looks completed. I'm loving the different designs from the foil paper. Let me know in the comments below if you love this as well. I kind of paired it here with the matches to kind of show you how this could make the perfect pairing as like an easy gift, a last minute something you could grab and run with to gift someone, a neighbor or somebody who's done something nice. So take this, put this idea in your back pocket, but don't sleep on it. Definitely make a few of these, have them ready to go. There's nothing better than to have a gift ready to go. Okay, so for DIY number 4, I decided with one of these sheets of peel and stick wallpaper, it would be cute to dress up my glass lamp. So if you followed me for a minute, if you don't already follow me, I would love for you to do that. But if you followed me for a minute, you know about my glass lamp. I love to decorate it and fill it for the holidays, all the different holidays with fun things. I will link it here so that you can grab one if you don't already have a glass lamp. You can pretty much find them everywhere. So once I decided how tall the piece of wallpaper was going to need to be, it funny enough, was the exact amount to where the strip was already kind of creased and ready to go. Now that last piece there would be perfect for one of those bookmarks that we did in the last video, and I will link that here so that you can check it out. Okay, so I'm just taking off the top of my glass lamp, kind of show you what I'm talking about as far as filling it. Right there, you can take the lid off and you can fill it with all sorts of fun things. But I was like, I'm going to fill it with this cute wallpaper. So I kept messing with it. And I could not, for the life of me, figure out how to get it to go in there. Call me whatever you want. But I was really struggling with this. And finally, it occurred to me, I got to cut it into 2 pieces to make this work. So once I had it cut into 2 equal pieces, voila, it was perfect. I just slid it in there and then I arranged it to make sure the seams lined up perfectly. And once that was done, it was ready to go. And it's not permanent. I did not peel and stick it actually. So I don't know if that's a cheat code, but I just placed it in there and put all the lamp back together, the bulb back in there, and it turned out so adorable. I don't know how long I'll leave this up because Valentine's is coming and I'm going to want to put some hearts and things in there. But I think for January, which is when this video is filmed, I think it's perfect. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm in love with it, and I think that it's a great look, and it just happens to already have kind of like the brass gold accents for this particular glass lamp. So look up close. Oh my gosh. It works. It works. I'd love to know what you think. And if you have a lamp that this would work for, I'm thinking even a thrifted one might work. Well, thanks for hanging out with me to the end, my friend. There are lots of different wallpapers that are peel and stick at Dollar Tree. I cannot wait to share with you more in the future. Let me know if that is something you would enjoy in the comments below. As always, I super appreciate you and would love it if you stuck around and watched the next video.